Alright guys, let's talk about why the crypto market has been dumping aggressively. JPY has been gaining aggressive strength and gold has also been pumping aggressively. I know traders have been waiting for my videos to position themselves on which direction to look out for. Should they be buying? Should they be selling? Well, in this video, the king of fundamentals is going to break down everything. Alright, let's start with what happened earlier this morning around 3 a.m. We noticed there was a rate cut on NZD, for those of you that trade NZD USD. Now, the previous rate was actually what? 3.25%. And it actually, they cut the rate to 3.00%, meaning they removed how many? 0.25%. In essence, what is that called? 25 basic points. Alright? Now, when you come back to this board here, you can clearly see that in order for you to understand interest rate standard move, you need to understand all these terms. Remember, the 25 basic points stands for what? 0.25%. The 50 basic points stands for 0.5%. And the 75 or 100 basic points stands for what? 0.75 or 1.00%. Do you understand? So whenever you hear they cut 0.2%, they cut 0.5%, they cut 1%, they cut 75%, they are referring to the basic points. Alright? Now, if they cut 25%, which is 25 basic points, is actually what? It's a quarter point. If they cut 50 basic points, is a half point, meaning things are about to get serious. Now, depending if they are cutting or if they are hiking. Remember, if they are hiking, they are increasing, and if they are cutting, they are reducing. Now, whenever they hike an interest rate, your economy look what? It looks attractive to investors. So investors will demand for that currency. They will come into your economy and it will end up pumping your currency. But if they cut interest rates, 90 out of 10 times, if you dump that currency, why? Because that currency won't look attractive to investors. Please take note. Now, whenever you notice they are increasing, which is cutting or hiking 75 or 100 basic points, this usually happens whenever there is crisis. Whenever the recession has eaten deep into the society, or whenever inflation is taking another level. Take note. Now, that is exactly what happened with NZD USD dump. Alright? Now, if you go to your chart, you will notice that what? You will notice that NZD USD have actually been dumping aggressively. Can you see? Can you see? This was what happened. The news happened around 3 a.m. in the night, and immediately 3 a.m. you saw a huge drop. Do you understand? Good. Now let's go back to the board. Now